so we have Mr. Strickland here with us today. He's actually here for hip pain, but we did a rotator cuff repair on him 8 years ago. And so I just wanted to check in with him. I don't ever get to see people back that far out. And he had a massive rotator cuff tear on the right shoulder. So I just wanted to show him as a case of what it looks like down the road from a big repair. So he had a guarding accident, correct?
Yeah, I fell off I had a ladder collapse and I fell about 6 foot, landed on my right shoulder, all my weight on a landscape timber.
Okay. And so he came in, he could barely lift his arm, lots of pain. We got an MRI, he had a massive cuff tear. Let me show you that. If we focus in here, this is actually, before we even had the digital images, this is a scanned print of a photograph from surgery. You can see he had this massive rotator cuff tear. So the supraspinatus tendon completely torn away from bone, and we had to repair that. So I guess it took about 3-6 months to get better.
Thereabouts, right.
And then since then, you said you've been playing a little baseball, doing some...
Well, I went back to playing softball, you know, pitching some, throwing baseballs, bowling, things of that nature that I used to do.
Great.
I mean, the arm's better than it ever was.
Great,
Yeah.
That's great. Well, let me just take you through some motions here. Let's have you lift your arms up like this. Good, bring them down. I want you to hold right here. Don't let me press down, hold strong. That right there is the supraspinatus tendon, the one that was torn. Let's have you hold your elbows like that. Good, perfect. Don't let me press in, hold strong. Excellent. All right, relax your muscle now. So you can see he has excellent external rotation, good internal rotation. It's about symmetric to his opposite extremity, as you can see here. Maybe a little bit less on internal rotation, but overall looks very good. So that's what somebody looks like 8 years after a massive rotator cuff repair.